Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to use footnotes and endnotes correctly in Microsoft Word. First, understand the footnotes. What is footnotes? Footnote display the content at end of the page. For example, here is a hardware paragraph. Now you can see here HDD and RAM, RAM. But what is the meaning of HDD and RAM? You can display it at the end of the page. Just select the text and go to the reference and insert footnote. It will go to the end of the page. And number 1 is hard disk drive. Now go to the HDD. Here you can see here top right corner, here is a 1 which is footnotes. When you can see here hard disk drive, and if you double click here it will go to the footnotes section. Now if you select RAM and go to the insert footnote, it will display the number 2. Random access memory. It will display the number 2, and you can see here number 2 is in RAM. Here is a top right corner of, you can see here number 2, random access memory. It will display the random access memory. If you double click here it will move to the footnotes section. Now understand the endnotes. What is endnotes? Endnote display the contents end of the document. First I delete these footnotes. Just select the footnotes and delete button. Now you can see here it will display in here number 1. Now it will automatically regenerate the number, and I select it, footnote and delete. Now understand the end of endnotes. What is endnote? Endnote display the content end of the document. Just select the HDD and go to the reference and insert endnotes. Just click here. Now you can see here at end of the document, page number 8. Now type the hard disk drive. Now go to the paragraph section. Now you can see here Roman number, and it will display the hard disk drive, and if you double click here it will move to the end of the document. Footnote display the end of the page, but endnote display the end of the document. Now select the RAM and insert footnote and type random access memory. Now you can see here it's a Roman 2, and if you move to the top, now you can see here number 2, and if you can see here random access memory. If you double click here it will move to the end of the document. Now here is a endnote, and you can see here show notes. Just click here, it will show the show notes. And if you go to the footnotes properties, it will display the endnotes properties, because I insert the endnotes end of the document. If you select end of the section it will display the end of the section, but if you insert the footnotes it will display the footnotes properties enable. And now you can choose the format. It's a Roman by default, but you can choose as you wish. And start level number 1 You can change here and apply for any changes. Now it is very good option, footnotes and endnotes. Hope you can use it in your document. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.